The Holocaust was the systematic, state-sponsored persecution and murder of 6 million Jews by the Nazi German regime and its allies and collaborators during the period from 1933 through 1945. Nazi Germany also persecuted and murdered millions of other victims, including Roma and Sinti, people with disabilities, gay men, political dissidents, and members of other persecuted groups. As first-hand witnesses become fewer each year, public remembrance and education remain essential. Lest we forget centers' lived experience, placing human faces in everyday public spaces to foster reflection, empathy, and dialogue, while supporting awareness and continued learning.
10 years ago I started this project, and you must know that on that time the political climate change it was in Germany, and I'm thinking, what can I do against this hate speech and all this anti-Semitic speech and so on, So I ask me a question, what can I do to be against this one, So I'm thinking about that, how it works when I take pictures from Holocaust survivors and I bring them in the public space, So that was the ground idea from everything,
Each portrait provides brief biographical context, offering insight into the survivor stories that puts a human life behind every face. This is not an exhibition behind glass, it's an exhibition in an outdoor public space. There are no barriers, no admission fees. The simplicity of the portraits honor the survivors while serving as a powerful reminder of the devastating consequences of hatred, dehumanization, and indifference, providing a deeply affecting and unforgettable experience that underscores the enduring importance of compassion, courage, and human dignity.
One Holocaust survivor shared with me, it starts with hate and ends with the Holocaust, You must know that, because that is so dangerous for us. I know that we are different people in the world. That is okay, That is our ground of democracy, But we must be careful with our democracy, because when the balance is out, so we are fail again, And that is what I do this work,
Lest we forget, Portraits of Holocaust Survivors is on view April 16th through May 3rd, 2026 at the District of St. Louis in Chesterfield, Missouri, free and open to the public.